The skincare products business is one of the fastest growing businesses in Kenya today. More people are becoming aware of the importance of taking care of their skin, and they are willing to spend money on products that help them look and feel better. Young people, working professionals, parents, and even older adults are buying cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreens, body lotions, face serums, lip balms, soaps, and natural beauty products. This growing demand creates a good opportunity for anyone who wants to start a profitable skincare business. The good thing about this business is that you do not need millions of Kenyan shillings to begin. You can start small, learn the market, and expand as your customer base grows. Whether you choose to sell online, open a physical shop, or become a distributor, success depends on offering quality products, understanding your customers, and building trust. The first step is to understand the skincare market. Spend time learning what people are buying and why. Some customers want products that help with acne, while others are looking for products that reduce dark spots, moisturize dry skin, or protect against the sun. Many customers also prefer products made with natural ingredients because they believe they are gentler on the skin. Visit supermarkets, cosmetic shops, pharmacies, and online stores to see which products are selling well. Read customer reviews on social media and online marketplaces. Join beauty groups where people discuss skincare routines and product recommendations. This research will help you understand what customers need before investing your money. Next, decide on your business model. You can become a retailer by buying products from wholesalers and selling them to consumers. You can become a wholesaler by supplying smaller shops. You can also build your own skincare brand by working with a licensed manufacturer that produces products under your brand name. Many beginners start as retailers because it requires less capital and carries lower risk. Choose a niche instead of trying to sell everything. For example, you can specialize in products for oily skin, natural skincare, men's grooming products, baby skincare, anti-aging products, or organic soaps. Focusing on a specific market makes it easier to attract loyal customers and build a strong reputation. Finding reliable suppliers is one of the most important parts of the business. Buy products only from trusted manufacturers, authorized distributors, or licensed importers. Avoid counterfeit products because they can damage customers' skin, destroy your reputation, and lead to legal problems. Ask suppliers for product information, manufacturing dates, expiry dates, and proof that the products meet the required regulatory standards before purchasing stock. If you intend to import skincare products into Kenya or manufacture your own products, make sure you understand the legal requirements. Health products sold in Kenya may require registration or approval from the relevant authorities, depending on the type of product. Selling unregistered or counterfeit products can result in heavy penalties. It is always wise to consult the relevant government agencies before importing or manufacturing skincare products. You also need to register your business. Registering your business gives customers confidence and allows you to operate legally. Depending on your business structure, you may register as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited company. You should also obtain the necessary county business permits before opening your shop. Capital requirements depend on the size of your business. A small online skincare business can start with about Kenya shillings 50,000 to Kenya shillings 150,000. This can cover stock, packaging materials, branding, delivery expenses, and marketing. If you want to open a physical shop in a busy town, you may need between Kenya shillings 300,000 and Kenya shillings 1 million or more depending on the location, rent, shop fittings, and the amount of stock you want to carry. Location matters if you plan to open a shop. Areas with high human traffic such as shopping centers, estates, universities, and busy towns usually provide more customers. Ensure your shop is clean, attractive, and well organized because appearance is very important in the beauty industry. Customers are more likely to trust a business that looks professional. If you do not have enough money for a physical shop, you can begin by selling online. Many successful skincare businesses in Kenya operate mainly through social media platforms and online marketplaces. Create attractive product photos, write clear descriptions, and respond to customer questions quickly. Offer convenient payment methods and reliable delivery services to make shopping easy for your customers. Branding can make your business stand out from competitors. Choose a memorable business name, create a professional logo, and use attractive packaging. Customers often judge products by their presentation before they even try them. Simple, clean, and professional branding creates confidence and encourages repeat purchases. Pricing your products correctly is also important. Calculate the cost of buying the product, transport, packaging, rent, salaries, marketing, and other expenses before deciding your selling price. Your prices should allow you to make a reasonable profit while remaining competitive. Avoid setting prices too low because customers may question the quality, and your business may struggle to cover its costs. Customer service is one of the biggest secrets to success in the skincare business. Many customers need guidance before buying products because different skin types require different solutions. Listen carefully to their concerns, explain products honestly, and avoid making unrealistic promises. If you are unsure about a product, admit it instead of giving misleading advice. Honest businesses build long-term customer loyalty. Marketing should be part of your daily routine. Post useful skincare tips, before and after stories where appropriate, customer testimonials, and educational content on social media. Instead of constantly trying to sell, teach your audience about healthy skincare habits. People are more likely to buy from businesses that educate them rather than simply advertise. Working with beauty influencers, makeup artists, dermatologists, and skincare content creators can also help your business grow. Their recommendations can introduce your products to thousands of potential customers. However, choose partners who genuinely believe in your products because authenticity builds trust. Offering promotions can attract new customers. You can provide discounts during holidays, bundle several products together at a lower price, or reward loyal customers with special offers. Small gifts such as sample products can also encourage customers to return for future purchases. Keep proper business records from the beginning. Record every sale, expense, stock purchase, and customer order. This helps you understand whether your business is making a profit and identifies products that sell faster than others. Good financial records also make it easier to apply for business financing in the future if you decide to expand. Managing inventory carefully is very important because skincare products have expiry dates. Always sell older stock first and regularly check expiry dates. Store products according to the manufacturer's instructions to maintain their quality. Avoid buying excessive stock until you understand customer demand. As your business grows, consider introducing your own private label skincare products. This allows you to build a unique brand that customers cannot find elsewhere. Although developing your own brand requires more investment, it usually provides higher profit margins and greater customer loyalty. The skincare industry changes regularly as new ingredients, technologies, and beauty trends emerge. Continue learning by attending beauty exhibitions, following industry news, participating in training sessions, and listening to customer feedback. Businesses that adapt to changing customer needs usually remain successful for many years. There are also challenges in this business. Competition is increasing every year. Counterfeit products continue to affect the market. Some customers expect instant results, while genuine skincare products often require consistent use before improvements become visible. Economic changes may also affect customer spending. These challenges can be managed by focusing on quality products, honest communication, excellent customer service, and continuous improvement. Starting a skincare products business in Kenya is a promising opportunity for entrepreneurs who are willing to learn, work hard, and put customers first. You do not need to start with a large investment. Begin with quality products, understand your target market, build trust, and grow steadily. With patience, consistency, and good business practices, a skincare business can become a reliable source of income and a valuable long-term investment.